Elia greets particularly my beloved father YAHVAH, and a great kiss for him. And Elia as well greets my beloved YAHOSHUAH, and a great kiss for him. For the small lambs of YAHOSHUAH who deserve, YAHOSHUAH bless all of you. For you who protect the holiness, the righteousness, and you love YAHOSHUAH, YAHOSHUAH bless you. It's really wonderful. YAHOSHUAH is really wonderful. So amazing. The most amazing. It's better not to be alive anymore without YAHOSHUAH. It's better to go back to Him. It's really wonderful to be next to Him. It's the teaching number 16. Okay. Give me the phone, children. Dangers that is going to happen to this planet Earth. Because you may think that there is no dangers, there is no disaster. The worst is going to happen and no one can escape from this world. Whoever you are, humans on this planet Earth. So let's read the words. Because we have finished in Isaiah chapter 24. That we're going to see the execution. How is the execution of those words? Luke chapter 21. Luke chapter 21. If Isaiah the prophet declared, no one knew at that time how is it going. That's why Elia is here to be the pioneer of YAHOSHUAH, to accomplish his words and to execute his word. That is Zadiah Elia, to be the pioneer of YAHOSHUAH. This is the words, before his arrival, really. Luke chapter 21, from the verse 5. This is the declaration for the small lambs of YAHOSHUAH, for those who will go to the heaven of heaven, those who are convinced, they are listening to the words of Elia. But for those who are not convinced to go to the heaven of heaven, you don't have to listen to this. This is not okay for you. But those who will go there, they protect their way so that they will arrive well in the heaven of heaven in YAHOSHUAH. Is it clear? Some of his disciples were remarking about how the temple was adored with beautiful stones. There are many beautiful stones. And with gifts dedicated to God. But YAHOSHUAH said, as for what you see here, the time will come when not one stone will be left on another. Every one of them will be thrown down. General Titus of Roman destroyed that after 40 years. And there is no temple anymore in Jerusalem. It's just a wall that you can see. YAHOSHUAH accomplished his words 40 years after he left. It's like it's long, but that is for YAHOSHUAH. When he said this, don't expect it will happen tomorrow or after tomorrow. But when he said it must be accomplished, that is YAHOSHUAH. You cannot force him. And I am talking to myself as well, that I do that as well. When I say that, what is these words? What is this word, YAHOSHUAH? Even I am talking to myself. YAHOSHUAH said that it's you that I am saying about that. If it's in the year 30, that YAHOSHUAH said that in the year of 70 that it was accomplished. No one can say that why it is too long. What is the word? It's not accomplished. It must be accomplished. When it's declared, it must happen. That's why I've told you there is no words of Elia that will not be accomplished. It must be accomplished. Who wants to go to S? Who doesn't want? And who is in the middle? You go and you stay. Do you really want to go there? To go, only me. Who will go? Who else? Who else will go? So, really stay in the holiness, in the righteousness. It's a race. Really a race and a war. It's not easy to go there anymore. It's really a war. And you may see that in your way, in your path, it's not easy. Either you give up and you go to hell, or you continue your way and you go to YAHOSHUAH. You choose your path. There is no middle way. Okay, those words were accomplished. General Titus of Roman destroyed the temple of Jerusalem in the year of 70. Titus is the name of the general who destroyed it. He is a Roman. That is it at that time. That is the 7 heads. But he doesn't have 1 head, but the beast has 7 heads, not 1 head. The one still there at that time, that was the Roman, the kingdom of Roman. General Titus of Roman at that time, who destroyed the temple of that YAHVAH. It was so sad, but when he is angry, he really destroyed it. That there is the proof. The sacrifices really destroyed. If he accepted the sacrifice, why he destroyed it? He really has the authority to protect the temple, but he doesn't like it anymore, and he destroyed it because they killed the apostle, the prophet, and his son. Why do we still need the temple? And that YAHVAH destroyed it. There is no temple anymore. Is it clear, children? What is clear? Come on, talking well. What is clear? It's really clear that the temple is destroyed according to the words of YAHOSHUAH. 40 years after YAHOSHUAH said that, and it was destroyed. It's clear that what YAHOSHUAH said, don't say it doesn't exist. It must be occurred, but it depends on YAHOSHUAH when he likes to accomplish it, in case he will force him, and that is not good in YAHOSHUAH. Is it clear, children? So don't mumble when it is declared, when it is said, just follow it. That's why he is YAHOSHUAH. That's why all of us is a small lambs. You as well, you follow what YAHOSHUAH wants and the plan of YAHOSHUAH. Is it clear? Okay, so let's continue the words. And it's the entire Luke chapter 21, but from the verse 5. Teacher, they asked, when will these things happen, and what will be the sign that they are about to take place? He replied, YAHOSHUAH replied, watch out that you are not deceived, for many will come in my name, claiming I am he. We can really see that there are many that came, and the last we can see is Jesus. Jesus is the last one, and claiming to be YAHOSHUAH, and he is the name of Jesus that reigning on this planet Earth until now. And he is really claiming that he is he. And because of Jesus reigns on this planet Earth, people don't believe in YAHOSHUAH anymore if that was taught to them. Because Jesus is preaching healing, blessing, and miracles, and people believe in that. There was a story, a news we heard yesterday. It's a story of one woman. She is an African. It was an African that I don't know where was it. She went to India. It's a real story, really. Herself who told this. We saw the story and we watched this about the fake gods and the devils. That people didn't believe in it. That people are really blind. They say that it's the goodness. That it's really the goodness, bad goodness of Jesus. She is a journalist and she went to India and her friends brought her into the church. She thought that if you don't go to church, that you just go to church, but you don't pray and just go like that. But when she went to the church, there is a bad spirit entered her, and when she came back to her nation, original country, and she continued to work as a journalist because she worked as an investigator, and she investigated to go to the Marabu, those sorcerer. Marabu is the most powerful of them. When she investigated the sorcerer, and the sorcerer said, "You don't need to investigate me. Let me give you those bad spirits to answer your questions." I just sum up that, it's too long. And those bad spirits, they were called in the place where the Marabu is, and they were placed in 7 balls, and there is the blood inside the balls, and the Marabu called bad spirits, and the bad spirits talked with the woman, and the woman, she doesn't know that the bad spirits, they already know that there is already their friends inside the woman, and they told that those bad spirits, they kidnap people and they bring in the place where they are, and that's why there are many people, they are lost, or if they are sin, they become crazy, and they look like bones. It's like it's not like a skull, that it's a strange bone, and there are 7. That's what they have told. And after that, this woman was sick, and the bad spirits inside her, they move. And when she is sick, she went to the pastor, and there are many different of pastor, about 50, and they were siblings. The brother is the cameraman, and the sister is the investigator. When they entered the Marabu's house, they had bad spirits, and they made them sick. And when they took pastor, they were warned, if you take a pastor, we will make them suffered. But they're getting more sick. But the woman didn't accept that. She continued to take pastor. That the brother told her not to take pastor anymore. That she continued to take pastor. It's average 50 pastors that she took. And the bad spirits told to the brother, if your friend is going to continue taking pastors, that man is going to die. And she continued, and that man was dead. There is a story a week later. Those pastors who prayed for this woman, they are dead, killed by those bad spirits. And the woman continued carrying the disease. And there is a man that his plan is to get married with this woman. He is the worker team with the marabu, and they got married, and they tried to give birth, that they couldn't because their children are taken by the devils. But after a while, they received 2 babies. And the woman is still sick, that she is brought to the marabu, and after a while she is healed. It's a little bit longer the story that I sum up. Even the husband of this woman and his friends, they are a sorcerer, they are a witch, and at night they don't sleep at home, but they get out. But this woman did not notice about that. So they are not seen at home at night. One is her husband, and one is the friend of her husband. So at night, both of them, they are not at home. So at night, the woman is really sleeping in the deep sleep. So after a while, this woman caught them. Why don't you sleep at home? And he told him they don't sleep at home, but they go to the tomb and they pray there. That's why they are with the priest, with pastor. They are their friends. That's why the pastor before, they were killed because it's their friend and they are fighting against with them, and that's why they killed those pastors. And this man told her, we go there to the tomb and we pray there with the king, leader of the kingdom. And if I really understand this marabu man, he can do many things and everybody is afraid of him. Those who want to be rich, and they go there to pray there. It's them who told that, and this woman is really fed up, and she doesn't need church and religions anymore. And that is the end of that story. And we sent a message to them. If you're really looking for the real God, and if you want to get out of this problem, you don't know if she's still alive, it's for the people abroad, foreigners, we can call that here, what to do. There is nothing you can do here anymore. It's really sad. Humans, it's finished. It's finished. The story is finished. But for you who are arrived in YAHOSHUAH, stand firm. It's a story that I gave you. It's in Africa. It was broadcasted on internet. Mom watched it because she controlled everything. It's a parenthesis. You are always surfing on the internet. Don't watch bad thing. It's better to go to Google and immediately you go to our website, so that you will not make an adventure to watch something bad. But if you must enter YouTube because of your special work, what kind of work will you do there? Because sometimes there are ads that in our website, in the Google, there is no ads. So don't make any adventure that you will go in the website that you should not go. It's a danger. If I say that it's a danger, it's a danger. And if I say it's a danger, there is no force to protect you anymore if you enter that. Because you should not enter that website. That's why you are a small lamb. I protect, and you protect yourself, not to do full thing. Protect yourself. That is it. Is it clear? So what I meant, everyone is deceived by Jesus, really deceived by him. And to emphasize my words, those church leaders, they perform signs. It's from the devil's the blessing that they share. Jesus is not a God. He is a fake God, false God. That's why church leaders, they appreciate miracles because they take it from Marabu. That is it. Is it clear that words? It's a one story that false gods are arrived to deceive the people, claiming to say he is even is the false one. Is he arrived or he isn't? The accomplishment of Yahushua's words is arrived. It's really accomplished on this planet Earth, how they deceive people. And time is near. Do not follow them. Don't follow them. It's you that I tell that. Don't give up. Do not give up. That is the reason. Always come to worship in Yahushua. Is it clear? When you hear of wars and uprisings, that is it. Jesus is arrived. That he is around the world. People believe in him. We entered that time, and Eliah is here to spill the beans that he is false. And really, everyone sees that he is false. Those who are following false God, they are not washed away from their sins because they go to Marabu in the tomb. Even in Madagascar and Tenerife, there is. I have told you that. In the time that they practice witchcraft, there is Bible calling Jesus, and there is Chupacabra as well. I have told you that. Or haven't you heard that story? For you have heard that, that is it. And that is it for you who haven't heard. When you hear of wars and uprising, so after that, there will be the war, and it will not stop anymore. That's why I tell that to this world. Don't expect this war will be stopped. I had allowed you to stop a little bit, but you didn't accept. I have told you, don't you prefer to stop a little bit? That people said, they mumbled that they didn't accept. So you were ordered to fight. That is area. To give a command. I command you to fight. People say that Iranian and American, they are in peace. Let me laugh. It's only Elia who is laughing. Why are you laughing, Elia? I'm laughing. The war will be over. That's why I said, Donald Trump, President of America, you are. If only you had listened to Elia, you did not go to this war. That what to do? Nothing. I have advised you, but you didn't accept. I have advised you that you did not accept, so you must follow that way if you like or you don't. we have given you a solution that you didn't accept. You thought about how is it possible if there is someone who can talk with American President Donald Trump, and you will tell him that you had been informed, but you took it as a toy, a plain like a word just like that. How is it possible that American will be in a trouble, but you were really proud of that words, even you were really informed about that, and now you can't get out of that anymore, because Eliah said you cannot fight against Iranian, you cannot defeat him. The war was not begun, but I said you will never defeat Iranian. Didn't I say that? Or am I wrong? Don't just follow me. Okay. You will never defeat him. However, who is the most powerful? It's America. The first power in this world about military, according to humans, but he is just boasting, but he is not the first power in this planet, on this planet Earth. I have told you that Russia is the first power, that they pretend to be dumb. They have the weapon that they will fight against to YAHOSHUAH. YAHOSHUAH is going to come. And I may think that they don't have the weapon there. The devils, they're not dumb. They don't have any weapons to fight against YAHOSHUAH. But the weapon they have, they cannot use it to fight against humans, in case humans will be disappeared. Donald Trump doesn't know that. He doesn't understand that. That's why Eliah said you cannot fight against humans, because the Russians' weapons is the weapon. It's already planned and prepared to fight against YAHOSHUAH. That is not a drone. That is not a gun. That is not a cannon. It's really another force. Really a special power that doesn't exist on this planet Earth, but it is on your planet Earth. I don't know if you can imagine on that word. How is it possible they will fight against YAHOSHUAH and the military of the heaven of heaven, and they will bring a gun? So don't they have another weapon? They have. That's what it means. So there is no one who can fight against him as well. It's not time to show their weapon, because they will not show that to human, but they have their weapon. Let's just forget it, just that parenthesis. And the words of Eliah is ongoing. You will not defeat him. If he should, he can shoot. And they really fought against each other. But at the end, they don't know what to do with Iranian. If they thought about killing him, they can. They could. But they can't anymore, because of the words of Eliah from beloved Father YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. They can't move anymore. If they kept striking, they don't know where to strike, because those people are underground, they are above the ground, and there is no one that they can strike above the ground, because people in Iran, they are underground. They can go there if they want, but they just can't. That is the words. That's why I tell you, walk in the words. That people in this world, they don't believe in that. But now they have seen. You cannot defeat him, American. Even people say that, how about Iranian? It's easy to destroy them. But it's not destroyed. And especially American and Israeli strike Iranian. that it is not touched. It is touched that he is not dead. And they cannot destroy completely Iranian. And it's American who is looking for the peace, for agreement at the moment. That is the end. So what is the end of that agreement? It's really bad, that situation. It's really a disadvantage for American because they made an agreement of peace recently. What it's about? American paid 300 billions to Iranian. It's they who paid. And Iran didn't accept to sign it firstly. And it's American who had to sign. If you are the winner, why is not you who told them to sign it firstly? And Iranian didn't accept to sign it if Donald Trump hadn't signed the paper. You are the winner and you will sign it firstly. You should command them, sign it in case I will strike you again. It's really upside down the story. The reason that Donald Trump struck Iranian to make Mora out of his possession, but until now that government is still on his possession, and the government that he thought to make him out of his possession is that government that he signed that paper. You cannot escape from this situation. Your planet Earth is really wide. You must follow what YAHOSHUAH said, what that YAHVAH said, and what is coming out of the mouth of Elia. You are really blessed children to see Elia. It's a foolishness for you who don't like that to go to the heaven of heaven. That is really wonderful to go to the heaven of heaven. I will go to the heaven of heaven, going through the space. That is it. Who are with Elia? So, who? Only Elia who is going. That is it. Stand firm. The government is not destroyed. Even that is the goal, to strike on Iran. The government is not destroyed. And to remove his nuclear, not to stay in Iran anymore, the nuclear is not removed. And I have told you, there is. They just pretend that there is that. That there is not, even there is. They have signed. Why did you sign? It means you are afraid. That doesn't mean you are afraid that is the words that is ongoing and you don't know what to do. When Elia said it must be occurred. You have seen American and humans always underestimate the small Elia of YAHOSHUAH. I am here in Madagascar, that I am speaking, that it is accomplished around the world. How is it possible? American, the first power, he cannot defeat Iranian. But when Elia is not here, they're already dead. The story is already finished, but because of the words of Elia that they cannot defeat, this world has sinned. It depends on those who will not follow the words. It's for 60 days, the agreement of peace. We're going to see. That is for Elia. It's really wonderful and a pleasure for him. Come on, fighting. The words of Elia, it must be fulfilled. You can kill many, the American, but you are killed as well. And that is really worse. That word. Eliah is saying to you, come on fighting. There is no peace anymore because Eliah has said, you must fight. And the devils, they try any means to make this in peace because they know if they fight, the story has finished. And they tried any means to make the peace. That is really amazing. But Eliah said, go fight. We want to go home in a hurry. Where? Where to go to Yahushua? Will it go to us? Is that right? So don't do anything badly. That is the words of Eliah that is accomplished in this world. It's only you who know that. And this world, they're really mumbling. Who will we lean on? That is one situation because American that pretend to be the first power, he is really in trouble in front of Iranian because of the words of Eliah. It's really clear when Iranian and American will be together, even the first enemy of Israel is Iranian. Obviously, the words is going to be accomplished. American, don't protect Israel anymore. Isn't it accomplished? Didn't I say that to you? That is the meaning of the agreement. Israel cannot shoot Lebanon, Hezbollah. Even Hezbollah, it's really Iran who sent them. Even the worker for war, they shoot Israelian. But Donald Trump said to Benjamin Netanyahu that you cannot shoot them anymore. Even Hezbollah, the team worker with Iranian, they always shoot. But Donald Trump said, don't shout anymore, don't shoot. And they said, Donald Trump is the last president who can protect Israelian. That is the recent news. That was on the news. But before that, I have told you, your protection is going to be destroyed, Israelian. You will go alone and you will make covenant with Russia sooner or later. Haven't I told you that? Follow Russia. That is the solution. And they really saw that America gives up on them. And it follows, as I have told you. So, is the words accomplished or not? And what is the third? American is the best, Pop is the best. We are really amazed by that. American is the best, and how is it possible? The best is running away. American is giving up. We are really amazed. The one who is giving up, he is the best. Even the best, no one can fight against him. It's really funny. The people who say that American is the best, even American is taking his hat off to Iranian. They paid 300 billions. We are really amazed. Don't we want to laugh? He is the best and he pays money. Even there is no one who can fight against him, but Iran can fight him. Iran can fight against him, and Iran told him to pay 300 billions. So the kingdom of Iran is not defeated. The nuclear bomb, he cannot remove that. How is it possible that he is the best? But until now, they're speaking out and so on that they don't have any force. That is the proof. It's not Donald Trump who fought there. It's militaries. But it's really the militaries that cannot do anything. That is really funny. The force is not with them. The force is in the words of Elia from that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH, that there is the force and that is accomplished in this world, and you can see that your eyes and your ears can hear that. The words are really true. Or not? The words are really true that I have told you according to Pa'ad. It's a foolishness for you who don't want to follow YAHOSHUAH preached by Elia, but no one can escape from our words. If we say it, it must be accomplished. So, there is no war will be over. Come on fighting each other. And come on killing each other. Until you accept Elia is here. And when you see that you cannot stop the war anymore, call Elia. And I must say that, will you stop the war? I will think about that. I will think about that. But come on, continue and eat. That is it. You will hear wars and uprising, so you are commanded to fight and uprising. There is no peace. No, that doesn't exist. It's just a fake peace. The peace is removed from you. Your agreement is removed from you. Come on fighting. And come on killing each other. Danger. There is no peace in you anymore. The more you say in peace, the more you will be in trouble. There is no peace anymore. We are in a hurry to go home. We are in a hurry to go home. And why do you wish people to be in trouble? Because they want to go home? And how is it that you want to go home and you make trouble there? I did not make that trouble. Who said that? I make the trouble. Give me the proof. I just said, but I did not make the trouble. I did not go to you even just once. I am just living in my house, and I come here and I go back to my house, and I said I'm just waiting for the result. That's what I am doing. In case you were thinking that it is from me. From me. What? It's really you who is bringing that, and I'm asking you that, is my word right? Because you have underestimated it. You have underestimated my words. Even his words are accomplished. American will never defeat Iranian. The people thought about it will end like Saddam Hussein, but he can't. Because Elia is here. If Elia is here, you cannot do anything. That's why I'm drinking this yellow water. Drink as well if you want. That it's really a luxury water. It's really wonderful. That how I drink this yellow water, how they will fight each other. Where you will not call Elia sooner, later you must call Elia. Because if you really think what I have told you, it's accomplished. You American give up on protecting Israelian. What does it mean that he said to Benjamin Netanyahu, don't shoot anymore? Because Lebanon and Israel, they are near. That's why they strike Palestinian. because there is a relation with Hezbollah. And what was that? I don't remember the name of that one group. Hamas, the group of Hamas. Hamas and Hezbollah, they're really together. And they received weapon from Israelian. You are really listening. They received weapons from Iranian. And Israelian, they already know they have no protector anymore. The words of Eliah is accomplished. It's you who don't listen to the words of Eliah, you Israelian. I have told you that no one is listening. I have declared that no one is watching. I have declared that no one is listening. You underestimated. You did not care. That's why I said, if you knew Donald Trump, that Eliah has spoken like Eliah told Abba the king. This, what was going to happen? But he did listen to, and everything occurred in him. It's like that in Donald Trump as well. If you enter Iran, this will happen to you, but you did not listen to me. What to do? Your way is really in a struggle. And what is so dangerous? The Congress of America, he said that militaries cannot be sent to Iranian anymore. The president sends them, but the Congress, they don't accept. That is it. They fight each other between them. You know, when Eliah is speaking, everything is upside down. It's better to follow my words, not to block my mouth. What is the problem with my mouth and you will block my mouth? What did I do? My mouth, it will speak to say the glory of my beloved Dad and Yahushua, that you underestimated people. Our words must be accomplished in you people. You are human created, and my Dad and Yahushua who created you. So you must follow their words. And Eliah goes before them to accomplish their words. To glory be to both of them. This planet Earth is theirs, not yours. That is it. Danger. Danger and disaster. The planet Earth is burned. Above up there are falling down. And the war that is ongoing. And where are you going? We're going on this war that is ongoing. Oh, how are you about this war ongoing? Turn your head. Turn your head to Eliah. You did not care. Let's just add a song to decorate the words. It's just a decoration. It's really wonderful. Yahushua bless all of you who will go to the heaven of heaven, and you are really fighting so hard to arrive there. Follow the words of Eliah. In case you will deceive yourself. You say you will go there. Even you don't follow the words, you don't obey the words, and how do you say you will go there? You will hear words and uprising. That is not the end, but that is the beginning. When Eliah is here, that is it. Eliah is already here, and it begins. Nation will rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom. It's already ongoing. That's why I told you, don't want to be a president, because you will kill each other in the place that you will kill each other. And see, everyone, they kill each other, really striking each other. One nation, between them, they fight each other, and nation will rise against nation. come on in a hurry to accomplish the words of Elijah. There will be a great earthquakes, famines and pestilences in various places, and fearful events and great signs from heaven. I'm going to explain those words. That nations will rise against nation. That's why there is the news. The TV and radio of YAHOSHUAH is dedicated particularly about news and the praise to keep you that prayers at 7 p.m. There is no teaching will be broadcasted anymore. It's just the songs, music, and the news you can watch and listen to. What's news and how is it going? It's like that. You're going to watch. That's why I have told you, enjoy listening to the internet radio and follow the teaching. Listen to the teaching because you really need the teaching. Is it clear? Nation will rise against nation. I never say that it's been a long time that is already happening, but this last time it's really the worst that is going to happen. They don't really know who is fighting against who. That is the end of the war. Who is with who? And who is the team of this one? You don't know anymore. It's really a disorder and a chaos. You don't know anymore. That is it. Nation will rise against nation. They just strike each other. There is no peace that American can do. That it will be removed from your hand. That is the proof God is going to come. He is going to get up and he will pretend to be the peacemaker, and he is going to challenge YAHOSHUAH. You, American, you cannot make peace anymore. You don't have authority of that anymore. That is removed from your hands, that authority to be the gendarme of the world. Even you are going to be persecuted by everyone. That is your end. You are not the gendarme of the world anymore. That people don't believe in that. And it's really wonderful that people don't believe in that. That is so wonderful for me. You will not be a police that I don't know anymore. You are not a penitentiary. You will not be a gendarmes, police, and penitentiary. But maybe you deserve to be a worker in a local community, like in a village, neighborhood. That deserves you. That everything will be removed from you. You don't have any authority, you American. That is Eli speaking. That within that, get ready. Your sufferings is nearer. I tell you that. That's why love each other. Have one mind. Don't block each other. Don't do foolish things each other. That help each other if it's still possible. And don't take profit with something strange. But because your goal is going to go into the arms of YAHOSHUAH. So if you want to go there, don't sin anymore. You already know that law. And if you leave that, do you like to get back to sin? But some, they sinned. But stand firm until the end. Don't say Yahushua is really long and so on, that I will go to Yahushua and I will never give up on Yahushua, always be on Yahushua's side. Whatever is happening here, I am always here to be with Yahushua. Or what's your opinion? Or will you not stand firm? Will you not stand firm? Maybe you will not fight. That is the reason you always communicate and stop with Yahushua and you worship to Yahushua. That's how you prepare your way and you thicken your protection from Yahushua. It's a foolishness for those who don't want to worship to Yahushua anymore. It's a foolishness for you. It's the people who will not continue anymore. Okay. There will be an earthquake. I have explained to you the kingdom against kingdom. In that nation, they will kill each other. In Madagascar, that will enter sooner. Elia is removing the protection about that. I remove that. Even if Elia is here, I remove that. Come on. The presence of Elia in here, that is protected. Then now there is no protection that will be established on this Madagascar anymore. Everything is removed. It's really Madagascar who will not escape from that. It's like in Africa, Africans are fighting each other. I really tell you, these people, those people in this world, they are really in a great chaos. And as we're going to preach the word in this world that is really in a great chaos. That is the way. Glory be to Yahushua with those things. Elia doesn't care of that. And there will be the great earthquakes. I have explained that to you. An earthquake that hadn't happened on this planet Earth. And that is not just once. There are really so many. Many earthquakes. Great earthquakes. That cannot be measured by Richter anymore. And that time is coming and entering. A great earthquake that split the earth and that sways the land. In the Philippines, they have seen that. An earthquake that hadn't happened before. But that will happen on your planet Earth. And people say that you just speak and talk about dangers. That is Elia. But I have told you the good before. Come to Yahushua. In case you would go to hell. But my words are really true. Come to Yahushua. So if you don't come to Yahushua, it's better the dangers are coming to you. Or given to you. What is the problem with that? The good is already given to you and you didn't take it. Bad, we gave it to you. And it's time to do that according to my Daddy YAHVAH, my senders. There are some people, you're getting fatter. I don't know what are you eating. Maybe some of those women, they're pregnant because when you are pregnant and you are getting fatter like Tantin, but some of you are getting thinner and slimmer. Tantin is pregnant. Tonto is happy about that. I don't know what is the problem with that. Abraham It's at the age of 90 that he gave birth. That man is strong. Your grandpa is strong. So all that they give birth, it's normal because they are married and it's normal they give birth. Or what's your opinion? There is no problem with that. Maybe Grandma Denise is going to give birth. Oh, ambassador, your mouth, your words, that is not unacceptable. I am sent to speak out, and my mouth, my words, that to save human. If I did not speak out, you are not saved. Because I spoke out, and that's why you are saved. People are saved, and those who listened, they are conscious. And now, there is no proof anymore like this and like that. Immediately, pa, this is the words, pa, and you follow the words. If you don't follow the words, you are lost there. That is really wonderful. YAHOSHUAH bless all of you. And the famine, it's normal because the earth is really hot. The burning of your planet Earth is ongoing. The war is ongoing. It's really, in this generation, the words are accomplished. And that's why Donald Trump is in rush, because how Iranian block the Strait of Hormuz, that increases the problem in this world. And Donald Trump is in a rush. He kicked the oil and the pan. I gave him money and open it. Really. There is the authority of the heaven and heaven in the thing that you cannot expect, that it's really stuck. So don't fight against that. We don't fight against with gun or cannon, that our mouth, when I speak, you will get stuck. That's why I tell you, Kajol, Elia, it's really special to be next to Elia. Really wonderful. They are really blessed. That's why you are really special. It's YAHOSHUAH I am talking about. It's really special to be next to YAHOSHUAH, because when you are next to YAHOSHUAH, really you are so blessed. Or don't you wish that? Do you really wish to be blessed next to YAHOSHUAH? Always follow my words. It's like watching a film. That is the entrance. How is it? What is the next? And we are just watching what is the end of that. And we are watching where it goes, what is it going, and what is it going to do. And that is it. YAHOSHUAH is really wonderful. He is so amazing. His words are accomplished and no one can stop his words. And what is the continuation? There is a fearful event from the heaven. The falling of extraterrestrials from the heaven. I have explained that to you. I have given you the Isaiah chapter 28. I don't remember. Or what is it? You really know that the militaries from above are punished and they fall down on this planet Earth. What is it in Isaiah? I have told you to memorize it well. In Isaiah chapter 24 verse 21, memorize it because your eyes are going to see that. When we are at night in countryside, for brothers who are there at night, we see a big UFO, but they just turn off the lights around it, just a small light in the middle that they turn on. And I told brothers that it's a big UFO that you can see that. It's just the one light in the middle that they turn on, and immediately, suddenly, it disappears. And after, he gets back and turn on the light. Because we can really see at night that there is its place. And where had it been? Those mindless wickedness are already there above your heads. In case they just turn off the light, or they just move into one place and get back after. And they're going to show their foolishness, because they will be seen during a day, not just at night. And I command them to be seen. Those wickedness, mindless, who are they? Who are they? Those YAHVAHs, extraterrestrials. It's not only at night that you will be seen. During the day, you must be seen by humans. You cannot hide anymore. There is a command from YAHOSHUAH, and it must be accomplished. There is no protections that you can do anymore. Everything's end is arrived, and when they will fall down here, it will create a big problem. A problem from those beasts. What is the problem? It's about your health. Humans are going to talk, because they bring a bad frequency, as they are devils, because they are in their YAHVAHs. That YAHVAHs, it's already a bad frequency. That is already uncommon. It's not a frequency of that YAHVAH, but it's a bad frequency. Even their existence, that creates a problem to you humans. The frequency that is sent by their YAHVAHs, that is a problem for you on this planet Earth. But that will disturb you. That will disturb you. Disturb your health, even just the frequency of their YAHVAHs. And the result of they come down here, that disturb how your airplanes landing and flying, because they disturb everything. That is already ongoing, and pilots, they're going to see that around the world, because they're already around the world, around this planet Earth, because they're going to enslave this planet Earth. They will take your planet Earth, because it's time they will fight against YAHOSHUAH, and they must come down here. Automatically, they will kidnap people. Pestilences are going to spread everywhere, and many diseases, because of their beam, because of their frequencies, because that disease will kill your organs, your skins. Your organs and skins are going to be killed, and automatically will be dead. And really, pestilences are going to happen, and the worst will happen. That's why I said the key is with Eliah, because only those who are with Eliah, that they have that protection, because it's only Eliah who has the frequency from the heaven of heaven, of the heaven of heaven, that I have told you. That's why I have told you, I am always here to protect you. My words is your protection. That's why I have told you, follow the words of Eliah, because that means you have the frequency of the heaven of heaven, the frequency of that YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH that is sent to Eliah. Automatically, that is inside you. That's why the key is with Eliah. If you separate from Eliah, it means you separate from YAHOSHUAH. If you love YAHOSHUAH and you want to arrive in him, follow the words of Eliah. If you follow the words of Eliah, Eliah follows the words and the order from YAHOSHUAH, and automatically you will arrive in YAHOSHUAH. I don't know if you understand or you don't. And that is it. It's about dangers that they are going to do. And people will be scared because what they see. And of fearful events and great signs from heaven. And the signs is those dangers will be poured out, because when those mindless wickedness will run away from Yahushua, and they come down here, they run away from Yahushua. Is it clear that fearful event? People will scare about that because of the picture they will show. They're really bad. You will see they fighting each other above up there because they are a troublemaker. Their market are above up there, and they are always fighting against each other. Until the end, they are always fighting against. They will never stop fighting against, always fighting, and until the end, they are always fighting each other. And because of their war, because that's why I've taught you about that. That is the devil, because they are already cursed, because they want to be the leader. And if they are always fighting each other, even you will be in a struggle to see them, because you will see they are humans. And I must say that I don't understand. When that will occur, you will understand that. Let them just be there, and you will see how is the end of the story. But you humans, you will remember the words of Eliah. I should have been followed that man, because you don't have any force to fight against them. You can't, because you don't have the frequency to fight against them. Only in Eliah the frequency to destroy them. If you follow Eliah, and automatically the protection is in you. That is the meaning of the words. The key is with Eliah. The key of protection. The key of protection. I really thank you, YAHOSHUAH, because that is from him. And I really thank my beloved dad, because that is from him. That is the reason. Always follow the words of Eliah. And if Eliah says that, face your war. Face your war. Don't just be happy listening to that and you just go like that. No, no, no. Your way is really difficult. And let me get back to the previous picture and be vigilant, collect something that you can. But how is it possible? What you can collect? There is a problem. You can never collect it. The more you collect it, the more you eat. So, how is that? So, how is that? How is it? How are you? You will follow me. That is the key. I will go so far away. Yeah, the protection is what is already told. When it will be ongoing, always send messages. But the result, you will die. It's not everyone who will die, but there are some people who will not die. That those who will be dead, they will be blessed. But those who are not dead, they will not be blessed so much. But those who are dead in their suffering, that they will be blessed more. Is it clear? So don't run away from the war. Be there to fight. There to fight. So will you run away, you sisters, you brothers? Will you run away? No one will run away. That is it. But get used to eating vegetables. Don't boast eating delicious food. I truly tell you that. Really, I'm getting used to eat, not to eat something that we have never eaten, but to eat simple food. that I am astonished that I'm getting fatter. I don't know if that makes me comfortable to eat something strange. I'm always eating vegetables, green vegetables, even corn that is looked for anywhere else around Madagascar. But the leaf of sweet potatoes, it's not everyone who is looking for that. It's already danger if the leaf of sweet potatoes, people will look for that. We're talking about that because we are entering that situation. Or what's your opinion? Really tighten your belt. And now just fight for YAHOSHUAH. Take the heart of YAHOSHUAH. You already see the words are accomplished, or haven't you seen? Ture is really tired to search for the news. What is Ture? Let's give him a bonus because he is really striving on. It's better to give him a bonus because he is really striving on. Or what's your opinion? What is Ture? This is the first time that Ture got bonus. He is always punished. Really, it's really hard to teach and to educate these kids. It's tomorrow that the winner of the football that you will get the prize, the soda. So if you will not remind me, tomorrow you will not have those who had the final. See this man. You are really crazy. You really take a look at that food. Valerie, what is it? Tell Ben to bring it here if you don't know. Is this mine? Really? It's mine. Oh, it's your. Let me take some because you will take everything. Or don't you accept? Take two, Valerie. No. That is it. And you go up there and you take soda from mom, get the money to buy soda and I give it for you today. And be careful that when you are flattered by idea and you will turn the picture into bad things, you must be strict. Strict that the work, it's really satisfied. It made me satisfied. Your decision that you left Fianarantsoa to Antana of Madagascar, that is a good decision. So you go up there and take some money to buy 2 bottles of soda. Speak out. Speak up. If you don't speak up, you will be in the middle of those women. You know, once he's going to get married, Grandma C and Grandma N, if he does not speak up. Speak up. Can you hear that? Speak up. And now you are speaking up. This kid is going to embrace his parents. It's the woman, this girl. They are shy like that. Are you a girl? A man? Let me check it up. Maybe you are a woman. Because you speak like a girl. Speak up. Are you a man? Really anointed and all anointed all by your mother. Really? You are really anointed by the world from your mother. Yeah, it's really wonderful. Come on, continue it. If you are wise, you get the prize. If you are wise, and you get the reward. But if you are stubborn, there is nothing you can get. Even you will receive the anger. So tighten your belt, sisters and brothers. Don't be fool. It's getting, trouble. You have listened to the news, and I really tell you, really in a struggle. When you are entered, you are already in it. That is it, the picture. It's already at 3 p.m. Children. In the verse 12, but before all this, they will seize you and persecute you. They will hand you over the synagogues and put you in a prison, and you will be brought before kings and governors, and all on account of my name. And so you will bear testimony to me, but make up your mind not to worry beforehand how you will defend yourself. For I will give the words and wisdom that none of your adversaries will be able to resist and contradict. That is the Holy Spirit of Yahushua will speak inside you. That is from Yahushua. When their suffering will occur in you sooner. Don't be afraid of what are you going to speak, but the minds and the words and the mouth are going to be given to you. Is it clear? Is it already clear? Really clear? What is that? That the Holy Spirit is going to speak in you? Matthew chapter 10 verse 19 verse 20. But when they arrest you, do not worry about what to say or how to say. At that time you'll be given what to say. For it will not be you speaking, but the Spirit of your Father speaking through you. That's why you need the Holy Spirit to communicate by your minds to Yahushua, because the Holy Spirit will make you speaking with your mouth. It's not you who is speaking. If you will be persecuted, don't worry. We have seen all pictures. When Eliah is here, he turned the hearts of the parents to the children and the hearts of the children to their parents. You already seen the witness. And when that is arrived, the persecution is ongoing. But through that time, foreigners will enter. That will happen at the same time. That words will happen at the same time. The work of Eliah, it's really hard or not, but I don't worry about that because of my dad and my beloved Yahushua, my elder brother. If you love Yahushua, support the work and show it to Yahushua that you really love Yahushua and how you support your work, because it's Eliah that you can see. And as a proof, you never sin except those crazy. They don't think about to go to the heaven of heaven. But those who are thinking about to go to the heaven of heaven, they are already protected and they never sin. The proof, you. Who will go to us? Who will go to YAHOSHUAH? Who will be discouraged when there will be the persecution? And who will be afraid? Who will always be next to YAHOSHUAH? And who will always follow YAHOSHUAH until the end? Is it clear, my words? Will you keep the words? Will you never change? Those grandpas maybe already tired. Are you ready until the end? So don't act badly. So that is the end of my words. That is the part 1. We continue it tomorrow. It's the teaching number 16.1. And tomorrow is 16.2. The title, that was before. It just continued the dangers. If only you had listened, American president, you would follow the words of Eliah. If only you had listened to, this wouldn't have happened. And people may ask question, what? Didn't I tell you don't enter that situation? Didn't I say that? But that is it, no one is listening. But if you only had listened, this would have happened. But you didn't listen. That is it. It's better to listen to me. Or will you not listen to? Those who are listening to me, they are blessed. Always the happiness, the peaceful, because it's YAHOSHUAH who is with you if you are listening to me. And the happiness from YAHOSHUAH is arrived inside you. The peaceful from YAHOSHUAH, that will be inside you. Don't you like that? It will be given to another one if you don't like. For who? Only for me. Only I got it. Only me who got it. Okay. Keep well the correction, advices. Don't lose the words. Don't destroy the words. Don't deceive yourself. You just accept here that when you get out of here, you are the out one. You will be thrown in hell with that. You may think devils are really dumb and they don't see. What are you doing? And the problem, the dangers, there will be bad spirits inside you. You who make YAHOSHUAH angry, you think YAHOSHUAH cannot see you. If you don't want to be righteous, you don't want to go straightly, don't come here anymore. But if it's inside you to go to the heaven of heaven, protect your way. If you're thinking to go to the heaven of heaven, protect your holiness. Don't let anyone destroy your holiness anymore. Keep and protect it only for you and YAHOSHUAH. Don't you prefer to arrive in us? It's really amazing in us. Do you really want to go there? Who wants? Who wishes? If I arrive there, you are already there. But you just keep the place. Once you are baptized, your name is already written there. You are the citizens of the heaven of heaven. You are already living there. Ephesians chapter 2 verse 6. And you were raised up with YAHOSHUAH and seated with him in the heavenly realms in YAHOSHUAH. It's in the baptism that happened. So once you were baptized, you are the citizens of the heaven of heaven. You are already there. You are already living there. Not anywhere else, but it's already there. What do you just do? Just to keep your seat. The president, they keep and protect their seat. Prime minister, they keep their seat, not to be out of their possessions. All leaders and kingdoms, they are protecting their seats. And they are really striving not to be destroyed. But you are already the citizens of the heaven of heaven. It's a foolishness for you if you will destroy that. It's your foolishness. You are really boasting. That is it, boasting. Because the reason you show off, because you are already the citizen of the heaven of heaven. You are already living there. You are just a tourist here. Just tell yourself, tell the one next to you, you are just a tourist. But you are just a tourist here. But you are already the citizen of the heaven of heaven. So, protect your seat. Don't let devils will remove your seat from you. They will lead you to be a wrongdoer. And here you are wise, but when you get out of here, you will be the out one. Don't make the devil dumb, but they can see you. So be vigilant and be careful. When Elias said, don't do this, so don't do it. But it's really bad how you go against the words of Eliah. That will kill you. Follow the words of Eliah. Even Eliah will say that, come on, stumble there, roll over there. That is good for you. Even you are lucky and blessed to receive that words. It's you who should cajole me. Because you don't know what is the way to go to us. Okay, imagine that I will not be with you anymore. And where will you go? And that is the song of MZA. Where will you go? That is it. Cajole me. And when Elias says, follow the words. Your protection is by you following the words of Eliah. When I say, do this, come on doing it. When Elias said, do this and run to do it. Fight so hard so that you will arrive firstly in that place to do it. When Elias said, who is like this? Just do it and go there. Even it's okay or it's not. How is it to wish to be next to YAHOSHUAH? If you want to be next to YAHOSHUAH, it's next to Elias the first. How will you arrive there if you are not with Eliah? If you are next to YAHOSHUAH, automatically you are next to Eliah. If you keep your holiness, really a great happiness for you to be next to Eliah. It's really amazing. Don't say that I am next to Eliah, close to Eliah, and you can sin. The opposite. Next to him, you can't. It's really forbidden. And that doesn't mean that when you are far away from Eliah and you can sin. No. But it's really so hard. The protection of Eliah from YAHOSHUAH. So if you do bad things, you will be destroyed. But if you go straightly with your holiness, you will be protected by YAHOSHUAH. Those who are next to Eliah, they are blessed because they are next to YAHOSHUAH. And if you are next to Eliah, you are next to me, and it means that you will go to YAHOSHUAH. And if you will go to YAHOSHUAH, protect your holiness. Protect how you love YAHOSHUAH. Don't forget to worship to Yahushua. Don't forget to hold Yahushua tightly. Don't forget to talk with Yahushua, because Yahushua is the owner of the key. Everything Eliah has is from Yahushua. Eliah doesn't have anything without Yahushua. So go to Yahushua. Firstly, I just received them from him to use it, but hold Yahushua tightly. In your life, hold Yahushua tightly. If you hold Yahushua tightly, you can go until the end. Wave your hands. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to show your love. Is it clear? And I wish you to be blessed by Yahushua and to be wise, and you will always glorify Yahushua and always be happy with Yahushua. Yahushua bless all of you.